Hi Monica, I received a technical query from you, so could you help me resolve it?
Yeah, Kanika, I think I need your help in one of the glitch which I'm facing on LinkedIn while sharing profiles of a candidate who are actually not in our direct connections. They are in our third connection category. Okay. Let me just quickly share my screen so that you understand it better. 1 second.
Sure,
Let me know once you're able to see my screen.
sure.
Is it visible?
It's about to be yes, it's visible. Yes.
Oh, perfect. So this is one candidate. I was just trying to share his profile and tag him while I'm uploading a profile. And while I'm searching, like take an example, it is coming to my first and second connections only. Okay. While I'm putting the name of the candidate. So if I'm not able to tag the right candidate, it will not give a benefit of this particular candidate that if recruiters are searching for him, you will not get those particular positions in place. So that was the only reason I thought it's better that we should have been able to sort this technical glitch of tagging the candidates. Now, like take an example, if I'm posting this particular name and this particular candidate does not have any intimation. So if I'm understanding it clear, if this is the profile, this person have posted, then automatically he or she will receive a notification of whosoever is sharing their profiles on the post, right? So
Yes.
what we really want that when they go to that particular sharing capability, they will get to see that yes, Monica have shared a profile for them, and then they just come to that particular post. For example, I'll just show on my activities. If I go there, I'll quickly show this particular activity of this person. I've just posted quickly. This is all the best, Atul. And this person can just tag themselves, just come over here. And
Uh,
in the comments, if this person can tag Atul, that will solve all our technical issues because they will be able to get the right traction on whosoever is sharing their profiles. So that's the ask which I have, Kanika.
so I think we can guide the candidates to give in their settings. They can edit their settings to allow each and every person on LinkedIn to tag them. So this is an error from their side. They have to like each and every candidate who is using LinkedIn, they have to give the access to each and everyone on LinkedIn so that they can tag them. So I
Yeah.
think we probably help the candidates with the going into settings and help them how they can allow us to tag them.
Perfect, perfect. I think if they start making these editing and then they tag themselves on
Hmm.
any of the posts, whosoever is sharing their profile, that will suffice the requirement. So that's an ask to all the candidates who are utilizing hashtag support Saturday for searching an opportunity. First, one, go to their settings, make the modification so that people can tag them easily and they are searchable. And second, they should be able to tag themselves on all the sharing which is happening on their profile. That's it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
better to comment on their particular post so that it gives them reach also. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Thank you so much, Kanika. I think that will help most of our candidates on that. Thank you.
Monica, thank you.
Um, Hi, Kanika. I think a good point you raised about making the changes in the settings. Can you quickly run us through on how the settings modification can be done on LinkedIn so that it is more visible to all our recruiters and while people tag you?
Sure, Monica. I'll just take you through my LinkedIn profile and help you let you know how do we do that.
Sure.
So yeah, Monica, can you see my screen?
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So
it is.
these are the settings of my profile. So
Hmm.
settings, they go into the visibility option. So this
Sure.
tell you all the settings about visibility of your profile and your network. So
Perfect.
first and the foremost thing of profile viewing options. So
Mm-hmm.
it is so important to actually have a name and what is your current designation and what are you looking for. So Monica, would you
Yeah.
like to add on with something in this?
I think, yes, your tagline and a headline is very important while you're searching for an opportunity. If people can add the last organization they have worked, that will also help recruiters to search them from the name of the organization. So we are selecting the right name with the right organization that will help them. So I think this is very important for people to have a clear name and a headline. Let's not have anonymous and
Yes.
non-profit and other categories which are available while you're searching for a job opportunity. All
Yes.
right.
Yeah. So moving on to the settings option, which we are actually looking for. So profile
Mhm.
visibility of LinkedIn. So this
Mhm.
setting should be yes, so that anyone on LinkedIn who is searching you and wanting to tag you can do this very easily. So it's very important to actually switch on this setting.
Very nice. Yeah. So profile visibility on the LinkedIn, it has to be available. Perfect.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So then moving on to the mention or tags, the problem which we have it on a day-to-day basis is to actually
Mhm.
allow people to tag them so that it's easier for everyone to have it on their post.
So this is the ultimate solution of what is the concern which we all are facing. People have to give us a permission to tag them right now while they're searching for the job. Once they get an opportunity, they can tag them itself. So that's perfectly all right. But while you are looking out for an opportunity on LinkedIn, make yourself visible and you're taggable by the recruiters as well. So I
Yes.
think, thank you so much, Kanika. This will definitely help few of our candidates to make these settings and make them visible on LinkedIn.
Thank you, Monica. Yeah. It's so simple
Thank
and do it in like 2 minutes. Yeah.
you. Perfect. Thank you so much, Kanika. Thank you so much for this, and hope
Thank you.
this will help our candidates being more taggable and we are able to get them more opportunities. Hashtag support Saturdays. Take
Yes.
care.
Thank you.